open the door. Come on. Open the door. Open the door, man. You break the door. Why is it open? Hey, come on. Hey, open the room. Open the room. Open the man.
Hey guys, akusadlalwa. There's no time to play anymore in this country. Go busy everywhere, and all thanks to uJacinta owaqala yonke lento. Sonke lesi siphithiphithi because of her. We salute you, Mangobese. Usebenzile sis. Go busy South Africa. Kuya le nale nale. Akukho ukuthula. Ugovernment ume ngeenyawo. Let's keep pushing because uyabona ukuthi njengamanje sebeyabona vele ukuthi ayikho into abazoyenza. Into yokuthi benzela ama-elections ayizukubasiza ngalutho because even after ama-elections ama-march will continue, so there is no hiding place for them right now. If you look at our president, you can see ukuthi akasalali. He doesn't have peace even in his eyes. Uyambona ukuthi akana peace. He's having ama-sleepless nights. I-pressure all over the country. I-pressure from Africa. I-pressure from ama-parliament, ama-portfolio committee. I-pressure from ama-commission. Ngapha iphalaphala. Kubhizi kuningi for yena shem. Our government ignored these things for too long. Look at them now. They don't even know where to start. These illegal foreigners are so many now. How can you allow your country to be lawless with open borders? Why? Because you want Africa to come and enjoy. Which country in Africa is doing that? Why is it only South Africa that is thinking about other Africans? Why are we not treated like brothers and sisters in other African countries? If all these things is about being Africans, like we are welcoming them here, we are even saying whether they are legally or illegally, they are welcome here because they are from Africa. Why are other African countries not doing that? It's all because of the help of the apartheid. Esenza ukuthi sibe la sikhona namhlanje. How are we related to Bangladeshis and Pakistanis? Are they also our brothers? I don't think so.
What institution have you registered with? You say you are here to work and study, or you are studying. Oh, you're working. You're working. You're working for who? You're working in the shop, but you're working for who? So you came, or you came here to work for the owner. Where is the owner coming from? This is from our office.
You are in charge of what? But why are you forging? Why are you forging our documents? This is why
our business for the
you tell that to the
if you say to tell me,
you tell that to the court. Why are you forging our documents? Even if it's your boss, you are the manager. You are trying to make us fools now. You are busy playing and you are serious. You are serious and making us fools. Why are you forging our documents?
And you'll hear our leaders, our politicians saying, don't disturb legal foreigners. We are disturbing even legal foreigners with documents. Which documents? These fake documents. And if abantu abanjengo Zandile Dabula, Jacinta, telling these people, these politicians, even those who are carrying documents, some of those documents are fraudulent. They don't believe us. Take these documents, verify them. No. Okay, allow us to do the job without being paid. No. What else must we do? It's too much. It's too much until they listen to us. Look at what they are doing right now. They are carrying fake documents, running spaza shop, supermarkets, even big businesses with fraudulent documents. And we are expected to keep quiet and fold our hands and watch all these things happening in our own country. Never.
Under the bed.
We eat.
What's going on here,
Now it's bed and food.
This is bad, guys.
The barbecue sauce. Then they sleep here, we buy, we eat.
Yeah.
No, guys, no. No, these people, no. You sleep, you sell to people. Why are you doing this?
But you do everything here.
Why are you
When
doing
is
this?
food?
Are you aware that these things that we are doing, it affects people's health? Are you aware of that? You're not aware?
Do they
You
eat
don't
food?
care? You don't act?
Oh, no, they don't.
They
No,
don't
they
eat.
don't.
Get a local guy and then see to connect for these people.
So this is illegal water connection and sewer, and someone would have came here and collected these pipes illegally. So they are stealing everything from our city. You see, even their building is not properly built. They didn't follow any bylaw or processes of the city. So we have to bring in water people to come and disconnect these water.
And you guys who are buying street food, you have to be careful. Even if you are buying food from a South African, you see these sauces they are selling there, the archer, they are making with dirty hands. Abanye baze bayixove ngeenyawo. You have to be very careful because labantu abathengisa ukudla, even if they are South Africans on the streets, they are buying from these people because they are the cheapest. Abathengisa like amasosi, mustard. Most of those people are buying. I'm not saying all of them, but most of those people, they are buying from these people. Some of those things are coming from these people. You cannot find mustard 5 liter, a Checkers, a Pick and Pay, a Woolworths. No, you will only find from these people. Unless you go to maybe Game, Macro, Big, which is impossible for street hawkers to go to those places because they are thinking about their own profits. Some of us, we are selfish. We don't think about our own brothers and sisters who will buy these things.
Come to me. Where are your papers? You must stand first. You don't have. You don't have. Ufaka umuntu lana oligayo lana azohlala.
Let's go. Let's go. Close the shop.
No, close the shop. What close the shop? Please just register his name and everything. But the shop is closed. It's not coming back. Thank you. Next shop. Why are you doing what you're doing? Do I do these things in your own country? No, man, don't do it. No, curfew. Let's close here. No, what is shoot? Yeah, why are you hiding? Where are the papers? Where are your papers? Yeah. With what?
Yeah, you can wear, but you can't run a business. You can wear, but you can't run a business. So, like, give us your training license.
So you have nothing.
Bring them.
This is just only your paper. You have nothing.
What I can work. He's not working. He's running a business.
Aye.
Who's
the boss?
Boss is not here, he go in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. If it's in Bangladesh, you're Bangladesh in this place. What is the name of the boss?
His name is John Lavidin.
John Lavidin. Yes. Tell him, John Lavidin, the shop is closed.
You sleep here?
And the groceries are here where you sleep. No, but you guys are killing our people, man.
Who are you sleeping with here? There are 2 beds here.
No, go come see.
He's not here now.
You sleep here?
You sell things to our people. There's a bed here. They are cook you bed, steaks, everything.
You also sleep here?
Also
sleep here? Close. You guys are silly.
No, I need a Zinzile. Biza ukerane, biza stay. Because now we're taking over this business, we're giving it to you. Marabantwana bakho kumele babe namaphepha ngithi. Bafuna ukusebenza futhi ne? Stay, awuzochaza la uchaze la angithi le container yala ngabani le container yenu angithi yeni container yabo okay angithi yekhe la kini manje le container lo siyamxosha asisamfuni la what we must do, what type of support can you give them to operate the stock esikhona la
Kufanele balona qala ba-apply license and then kune-grant le national.
ba-apply license and then sibancedise ukuthi ba-apply le grant
Yes, once
and then sibatrain nginibonile ukuthi wenzani
bese kuyiwa
kamasipala.
yeah mara sibanikeze umuntu because I want to see if this model works.
Or nifike nithi ama-license ama-business.
Mathapela asifuna yena uSilindo ubopha akekho la
Ukuyithatha ibhizinisi qala.
stay
Ngifuna ukuyithatha.
yeah stay
Kufanele sibabheke ukuthi
law is a criminal this one we're arresting him he must never operate here he threatens our people with guns and all that thing he must vacate and then we must then empower you no if you angithi dala ukhona la dala ubona ukuthi kwenziwani hayi wena ngikuthembi
dala khona
okay
umntana la ekhaya.
yeah
Oh, okay.
let's train her and see if she can assume this operation all right.
So uyawubona umsebenzi owenziwe uMangobese. This is a great job that was done by uJacinta uMangobese, uZandile, uVictoria Africa and all other patriots. Angazi ukuthi ngabe sikuphi. Ngabe kunzima. Look at the government. This job was done by uVictoria and other patriots before. Look at now. The government departments are up and down doing their job. And into engiyithandayo ilokhu kulwa kwabo neAfrika. Ukuthi kuyaxatshanwa manje kubanga ukuthi why are you sending our people away? Uvumelelana ama-South Africans alwe nabantu bethu. And kuzolunga guys. Kancane kancane kuzolunga. Uyababona bayathamba manje. I will never forget into asenzele yona uJacinta because without her ukuthi asukuma abe nesibindi. Angazi ukuthi ngabe kunjani manje. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.